Welcome back to the gun review, folks. We're on our way to a local gun shop and gun range, so stick with us. And here we are, folks, at the local gun shop and range. Okay, we're gonna go in and check out some guns. This is one of the oldest gun shop and ranges here in Texas. So let's go check it out. These are stuffed deer. Wow, that's some cool stuff. Thanks. Oh, rifles. Scopes. And we have some semi-automatics.
If y'all want to see something, let us know.
Okay.
A lot of stock. Mossberg. We got some SIGs. We do. We got a gun review show on YouTube, and we go to different shops and go to events and get the feedback and everything and what's going on, and so it's picking up everything. These are shotguns over here. Benelli. We got some 1911s.
I'd buy the whole thing. Just pop the whole thing off. Just put the whole thing right back on. That way
That's a nice 1911 right there, 9mm.
This one's engraved.
Oh wow. This one's a beautiful one. It's engraved. There you go. Smith & Wesson 586.
Look at this. Unthorn grizzly bear.
That's a nice one. It's got the
45 and a 14.
wow.
Well, I got a 280. I love shooting that. But yeah.
Line one.
You got safes. holsters. It's a purse for guns and gun storage on it. Very nice. Hmm? Yeah, that's for a small gun. Nice. And the ammo looks like it's gone back to normal. Got a lot of ammo. Prices have gone back to normal. Well, that's it, folks. It's pretty cool to see that most of the things have gone back to normal here in Texas. Thanks for watching.